This is the gardening family. Welcoming y'all back to my gardening channel. Welcome back, gardening fantastics. My garden family and I hope that you'll enjoy this gardening episode, and hopefully it'll inspire you to want to garden too. Thanks for your time and support. Hey gardening spirit boosters, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for all the support, the compliments, well wishes, hearts, and thumbs up. And if you don't have time to watch the whole video, please just like the video. That's support as well, and I appreciate it. And thank you. Well, today I'm sharing with you a Day of the Dead aloe vera plant. My husband got me this for my birthday. Aloe vera is a great plant to have because you can use the gel inside of it for so many uses. Burns, hair products, skin care. I think some people even use it in their smoothies. But do your research. So today we're at the garden spa in the kitchen sink taking care of my beautiful aloe vera plant. That's a birthday gift. Look how gorgeous it is. It has like about, oh my, this is like 3 plants in here. Hold up guys, I should have this on the Lazy Susan. Okay, we're now on the Lazy Susan, where I can spin it around so you can see the back. It's about 3 plants in here that I'll be able to separate and make 3 plants. Saving money and growing a collection. 2 things at once, saving money and growing my collection of plants, house plant, outdoor plants. Loving it all. Thank you so much, you guys that are my supportive subscribers that constantly keep coming back and leaving well wishes, beautiful compliments, hearts, and thumbs ups. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. And I love your channels as well, because you guys have some of the gorgeous, beautiful plants and tips and information on how to care for them. I really appreciate all that. And I have a community tab now, so I can share videos. I can share my subscribers' videos, and you guys should be picking up a few more extra subscribers that check out my community tab, because that's what it's for, to help support other channels. The community tab, share people's videos, get their channels information and their ideals and stuff out there in the universe. Let people know who they are and what they're doing and how great their channel is in the community tab. That's what I like to do, is share. Never mind if anybody shares my videos. But I love sharing yours, and it helps me keep up with your channel too. It's so many of you guys, and I am enjoying going each and every one of your channels as fast and as often as I can, because it's a lot of you guys. Once you get past even 100 folks, it's a lot to keep up with. And I know you guys are dealing with the same thing. You have to try and keep up with everyone. But as far as that thing that happened with me with YouTube, where they sent a message telling me I was spamming and not doing something wrong. I don't know what it is exactly, because I've been sharing the same comment with you guys on my channel when you come through, saying the same thing, because it's a lot to do to try and keep up with channels and having to write down a bunch of stuff. So I copy and paste, which makes it more convenient for me in my case, because that way I don't have to spend a lot of time writing to say how much I appreciate you and show you I acknowledge you for being supportive of my channel. So I copy and paste, but I've been doing that for a while, so I don't know exactly if that was the reason why YouTube was saying that I was spamming, scamming, whatever, saying that some of my comments were inappropriate. All I do was awesome and so positive comments, so I don't know. So with that being said, I guess I'll have to, from now on, if you guys don't see a long comment, I'll be doing a heart, a thumbs up, and also I'll put the like and let you know what number thumbs up I am on your channel. And I'll just make it even briefer because I don't want any problem with YouTube. So I don't know. I encourage you guys, if you want to subscribe to my channel, to subscribe if you are interested, if you like what I'm doing. But right now, that's what I have to say about that incident right there. I'm just going to make shorter comments. And I don't know if I'm copying and paste. I don't know. I'll just thank you and leave the heart and the thumbs up. So that's what I have to share with you guys because I don't want trouble from YouTube anymore. I don't know exactly what I did, but hopefully I can comment on your videos today. It is, well, that's what I'm gonna do. But right now, let me finish sharing with you guys this gorgeous plant. The Aloe Vera, so gorgeous. Like I said, I have 3 plants that I can repot 3 times. This is a nice planter that it came in. Day of the Dead art. I'm not familiar with this celebration, but that's I think it's a Hispanic Latina celebration. If you guys know about it, say so in the comments. But anyway, this right here, this plant right here, I love it. Excuse me, I got my hand all in the way. It is so gorgeous and healthy. Look at the stickers. They don't actually hurt, but I know they're there. And reminds me of the prickly pear, which is a delicious fruit. Have you guys ever tasted a prickly pear? It is so good. It is so good, the prickly pear. But I love this aloe vera. If you guys have any care tips that you want to share with Miss Janita, please do so. About how to not overwater, feed it, groom it. Like it's at the garden spa now, getting refreshed. But see that leaf right there is kind of lighter green. That one was in there when I got the plant, and I think that, I don't know if it's the soil or if this was overwatered, but it was very dry when I got it, so I did wet it. So, and I won't be watering it for a while after this good soak, but I will be, I guess, removing that damaged leaf right there, that yellow one right there. But if you guys have any tips, excuse, I'm showing you my dishwater, my business, all in the kitchen sink. But yes, that's the dishwater over there with everything in there that's in a dishwasher sink. Oh my God, real life. But yeah, you guys, if you got any tips on care for the aloe vera, please share with Miss Janita. Do you own a plant like this? And if so, how do you care for yours? What type of soil do you use? Now, I use the translate to English, and I hope that you guys have the translate from English to your language so you can. So I guess a lot of you guys do it because that's how I am knowing what a lot of you are saying in your language, because I use the translator. It's out there, and I appreciate that they have such a tool because it makes it easier for me to communicate with my supporters when I come to your channels. But if y'all got any great tips for Miss Janita about this plant, please share in the comments. All you guys, shout out to all my subscribers. Please check out my community tab. That's what it's there for you guys to check out other channels that you might not know about. They are great channels. All the channels I share are great channels. Go check them out. Bye. Thank you. Thanks for your time and support.